Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website in Jimdo. Jimdo provides two distinct paths for building your online presence. You can opt for Jimdo Dolphin, which uses an artificial intelligence assistant to guide you, or choose Jimdo Creator for a more hands-on approach. Both options offer excellent tools, but cater to different needs, ensuring you can build a site that perfectly fits your vision. If speed is your priority, Jimdo Dolphin is an excellent choice. You simply answer a few questions about your goals, and its smart artificial intelligence assistant will generate a complete website draft for you in just a few minutes. From there, you can easily tweak colors, fonts, and add your unique content, then publish your site with minimal fuss. It's incredibly efficient. For those who desire more control, Jimdo Creator offers extensive customization. You begin by selecting from a wide range of professionally designed templates. Then, you can drag and drop various elements, such as text, images, and videos, precisely where you want them. This platform also provides advanced search engine optimization tools and e-commerce capabilities, allowing you to build a truly unique and powerful online presence. Once your Jimdo website is complete, the next step is launching it to the world. You can easily connect your own custom domain name for a professional touch. Remember to optimize your site for search engines to help people find you. Jimdo also offers built-in analytics to track how visitors interact with your pages, and keeping your content fresh will ensure continued engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.